Bhagavad Gita is written in poetry, but it's a scientific rendition of the deeper realities of existence, of its illusionary nature, of origin and evolution. In the dim light, when we see a snake, a lot of hue and cry is made. Everybody proffers a solution. Each solution is the right solution. However, when somebody sheds light, the snake is gone and there is a row. Now you'll ask me, what is the scientific basis of this story that you are telling? So let's start to talk of science. An atom has got a nucleus and an electron revolving around it. There is something known as classical physics. Classical physics sees this electron and assigns it 20 properties like charge, mass, spin, momentum. However, when we start to look at this atom from quantum mechanical level, then suddenly find that there is no atom. There is no electron. The electron is at several places at the same time. This is what the Schrödinger equation was. Scientists like Einstein said, what kind of a nonsense is it? How can be a thing in several places at the same time? It's not possible. And Schrödinger proved that electron is a wave. Electron is not a particle. There was a dual nature. The scientific language in which this has been explained is that the act of observation collapses the wave function to a point particle. This is what exactly Bhagavad Gita says, that the cosmic consciousness, which is what we are, becomes individualized I, ego. It depends how you are reading Bhagavad Gita, from classical physics or from quantum mechanical level. So when you read from classical levels, you say here is an electron. But when you start to read Bhagavad Gita from quantum mechanical level, you say there is no electron. It's a wave. It is present everywhere at the same time. So Bhagavad Gita is that scientific book which takes into account this snake that we are seeing or the electron that we are seeing and goes on to prove that there is no electron but a quantum mechanical level of waves. It is present everywhere at the same time. The individual I consciousness, which we look from the physical level, that is from classical physics level, becomes infinite. This is what Bhagavad Gita is all about. Gita is beyond reasoning and logic. Unless this crucial point of classical physics and quantum physics is understood by the people, the Gita also falls under the illusionary world. And then discussions become search for a black cat in a dark room which is not there. In my book, I have shown that the three laws of thermodynamics, the string particles, the matter principle, the conscious principle, they are all jumbled up together. By putting the spirituality along with the scientific reality, I have tried to explain the esoteric and complicated spiritual jargon in simple words.